find out 31 different words with the letter T. This is how the alphabet T looks like in the uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. T for teacher, teacher. T for tailor, tailor. T for tree, tree. T for tomato, tomato. T for tiger, tiger. T for taper or taper, taper or taper. T for turtle, turtle. T for turkey, turkey. T for toucan, toucan. T for teddy, teddy. T for toys, toys. T for tent, tent. T for tie, tie. T for tea, tea. T for table, table. T for telephone, telephone. T for television, television. T for tap, tap. T for trampoline, trampoline. T for towel, towel. T for toothbrush, toothbrush. T for toothpaste, toothpaste. T for toilet, toilet. T for trash can, trash can. T for train, train. T for tractor, tractor. T for truck, truck. T for taxi, taxi. T for traffic lights, traffic lights. T for triangle, triangle. And lastly, T for thumb, thumb. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different words which start with the letter T. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.